And the verdict is now almost certain to be delivered on Friday. The Supreme Court today refused to hear a plea for deferment.
Preparing for D-Day, the Home Minister also made it clear the Supreme Court can be approached by either side for the next phase of the legal battle, even as from up to Gujarat and Tamil Nadu, India begins preparing for the big verdict.
Bulk SMS and MMS clips have been banned for 72 hours, starting tonight as a precautionary measure.
A final plea to reconcile the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid dispute and avoid or postpone Friday's verdict was made in the Supreme Court. But Justice Altamis Kabir, who was approached for this case, refused to hear it, saying he lacked jurisdiction to hear a civil suit. The case hasn't been listed for tomorrow, and legal experts say chances of it being listed on Friday are bleak, as all the respondents will have to be present in Delhi. The verdict is scheduled for the 24th of September in Lucknow, the same day. Today, the petitioner Ramesh Chandra Tripathi sought a delay in the verdict, raising law and order concerns. The applicant fears that anti-national elements may create a law and order situation in the entire country. And at present, central and state forces are stretched to the limits with Commonwealth Games, Bihar elections and the turmoil in Kashmir. Even in the Supreme Court, all major stakeholders are planning to oppose this move.
We are opposing the deferment. The Sunni Waqf Board is very clear on this point that there should be no deferment. Everything is over. All parleys are over. Everything was tried. After 26th of July, the court called everybody in the chamber under Section 89 of the CPC and tried to ask if there was any chance of compromise. All parties said at this stage there is no scope of any further compromise. Court fixed it for delivery of judgment.
The government also stepped in to say that the High Court's decision can be challenged immediately.
It would be inappropriate to reach any hasty conclusion that one side has won or that the other side has lost. Besides, it would be reasonable to assume that one or both sides would immediately apply to the special bench of the High Court for leave to appeal to the Supreme Court on the issues that either side may think have been decided against it.
And with just a day left for the verdict, Uttar Pradesh too is preparing for Judgment Day. With Arunachalam Vaidyanathan and Nitin Gokhale in Lucknow, Anand Zanane for NDTV.